Hi, my name's Chris and I'm the head of bought media at Flaunt Digital. Today I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about the customer journey and the importance of using your multi-channel filters in analytics. So in many cases, when people are analysing the sales and transaction revenue data through analytics, they'll look at the exact channel that delivered that sale on a last click basis. It's important to also realise that there's probably been one or two, maybe up to 10 different touch points across various different channels and various different platforms in the run-up to that transaction. Using your multi-channel filters, you'll be able to see the exact customer journey right from the first touch point up to purchase. This is important in terms of attribution because it might not always appear looking at analytics that, say, paid advertising isn't working as well as it should be. Also, traffic that gets referred off-site and doesn't come back is generally lost transaction data, especially for marketing and paid advertising. So have a look at your user journeys and try and figure out where these touch points are occurring and maybe attribute different values to them and test different attribution models. So in summary, be sure to analyse your customer journeys using analytics multi-channel filters. I'll tell you a little bit more about how people are interacting with your website and what touch points they go through in order to purchase. Also, make sure you're crediting each touch point with the right value. And finally, make sure you're comparing your multi-channel data with your actual channel activities and transactions that are available to you in analytics. Thanks for watching and please comment below.